Okay, class 11. Now today we are going to learn conic section. Conic section, chapter number 11. So we will start the conic section. Conic section, chapter number 11. So what do you mean by conic section? It is a section of cone. Section of cone. Okay, from the cone we can obtain, or will obtain, one thing is circle, an ellipse, parabola, and last one is hyperbola. Now first we will discuss about the circle. So in circle, suppose it is a Cartesian plane. Now first we will draw the axis on Cartesian plane, then we will draw the circle. The center of the circle is at the origin. So center of the circle is at origin. In this case, now this point will be x comma y, and this is 0 comma 0. Now O is the center of the circle. If the center of the circle is at origin, then the equation of circle will be r square equals to x square plus y square. So how to get it? Now it is the radius, it is r. We have to calculate the radius of circle. So radius of circle, when radius, it is the distance from origin O to P. Now distance OP, first we'll calculate the distance OP. Distance OP equals to, now distance formula, we have to apply the distance formula. x2 minus x1 means x minus 0 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 means y minus 0 whole square. So it is OP is r. This equals to root under, so x minus 0 whole square is x square, y minus 0 whole square is y square. So we will get, if you squaring, we will get x square plus y square equals to r square. Now this is the equation of circle. Equation of circle when the center of circle is at origin. Now the next case is, if the center at any point on the Cartesian plane, then the equation of circle will be different. Now let us take the second case. Now it is the center of the circle. this circle. Now the center of the circle is O. It is represented by h comma k. Now we have to calculate the radius or distance from O to P. So it is x comma y. Now in this case, we will calculate the same thing R, OP. For calculate OP, we have to apply the distance formula. So in distance formula, root under x2 minus x1 means x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to OP. So this equals to root under x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to R. Now if you squaring both sides, we will get x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to R square. Now this is the equation of circle. It is the equation of circle. At equation of circle, center at any point on Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane except origin. Now we have to remember these two things for the circle. Now let us take some questions related to these equations. Okay, question is find the equation of circle with center 0, 2 and radius is 2. Now first in solution we will write center h comma k equals to 0, 2. Now value of h is 0 and k value of k is 2 and the radius R equals to 2. Since equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to R square. Therefore x is x, then value of h is 0, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus k is 2 whole square equals to R square is 2 square. Now x minus 0 square is x square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square equals to, now this is 2 square. Now we can cut 2 square here. So x square plus y square minus 4y equals to 0. Now this is the equation of circle. Now next is number 2. Center is 2, minus 3 and radius is 4. Here center is minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3 and radius is 4. 4. This is question number 2 of exercise 11.1. Now solution. Center h comma k equals to 2 minus 2 comma 3 and radius r equals to 4. We know that the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now it is the equation of circle. Now put the value. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to r square is 4 square. So x minus into minus is plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 2 square. It is 4 square. It is 16. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, and it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square equals to 16. So x square is here, x square plus 2 into 2 is 4, x plus 2 square is 4 plus y square, 2 into 3 is 6 minus 6y plus 3 square is 9 equals to 16. Now take x square, y square, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, 4 plus 9 is 13 plus 13 minus 16 equals to 0. And last steps is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equals to 0. Now this is the equation of circle. Okay, the next question is, question is center is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and radius is 1 by 12. So we need to calculate or find out the equation of circle. So in solution, center h comma k equals to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 and the radius r is 1 by 12, since equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. X minus h is 1 by 2 whole square plus y minus k is 1 by 4 whole square equals to 1 by 12 whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b plus b square 1 by 4 whole square. Now here also same a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square 1 by 4 whole square equals to 1 by 12 square is 144. 1 by 144. So we can cut here x and 2 sorry 2, we can cut 2 and 2. So x square minus x plus, so it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus y square. So this is, we can call 2 1, 2 2 4. So minus y by 2 plus 1 by 16 equals to 1 by 144. Now x square plus y square minus x minus y by 2 equals to 1 by 144 minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 4. Now take LCM on LHS. So it is 2. 2 into x square is 2x square plus 2 into y square is 2y square minus 2x minus y equals to, now take LCM of 144, 16 and 4 is 144. Now divide 144 by 144 is 1 minus 144 by 16, it is 9. So 919 minus, now 4 144, it is 36. So here it is 36. So we can cut 212, 2 into 72 is 144. So it is 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus y equals to 1 minus 9 is minus 8, minus 8 minus 36 is minus 36. Minus 36 minus 9 is minus 45. Minus 45 plus 1 is minus 44 by 72. Now 4 11 44. 4 into 18 is 72. Now cross multiply 18 to 36 x square plus 36y square minus 36x minus 18y equals to minus 11. So 36x square plus 36y square minus 36x minus 18y plus 11 equals to 0. Now this is the equation of circle. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.